Explain about curtain walls, and after that how we can able to place the curtain wall, the doors and windows. Okay, so as usual I can go to find out my architecture, choose the wall. Here I can go to find out the architectural. Here I can go to find out the one curtain wall. After that, the top constraint I can choose, so I can able to draw the wall. When I go to choose the 3D, so it's become like this way. So when I choose, I can go to edit. So here I can go for the vertical fixed distance. I can go for 900 mm, and the horizontal fixed distance I can go for 2200. Okay. And mullions vertical, so I can go find out to 50 by 150, 50 by 150. Okay. So horizontal also I can choose the same one, 50 by 150. Right. So when I apply this one, here it's automatically applicable. Right. So when I go to choose in plan view, as per this family, I cannot able to use this doors. Okay. See, for example, when I choose this doors, it's not reflected because this is the family is totally different because we are in curtain wall, right? So how we can able to apply that now? Okay. So I can go to choose in insert. I have to apply the insert. So insert, I can go to apply the load family. In the load family, I can go to choose door. I can go to find out here the curtain wall stopper. So I'll choose this wall. I can able to load in family. Okay, right. Now I can go back to my 3D. So in this 3D, I can just tap this area. You have to tap, you have to use the tab key, your keyboard. After that, here you can find out the door, which one you loaded here. So now this door is fixed. So you have to keep it always fine and the shaded mode. So here you can find out this is the way I can able to apply this one. Again, I can go back to choose the area, go back to edit. So if you want, you can able to change like material difference. So now I can go to choose again my door. It's done, right? So this is a way you can create the uh, door in the curtain wall. So in this area, so for example, I can go to select. So this is the glass. So I can go to find out the material. So if you want, you can find out the material. You can change the material. So this is a glass. You want, you can able to change the material. Otherwise, here you can find out the solid. So you can find out the solid, and here you can go to edit. So thickness, you can go for change the thickness, and here you can go to find out For example, you go to find out the gypsum wall. So you can apply. So, so this is a gypsum wall I applied here. So I can just again go to find out the tab key. Here also I can make it a solid and edit the offset. I can keep it like 0, like okay. So it's fit in the points. When this one also already fit in the points. So when I go to rotate this one, you can find out this perfectly fit out our okay. Right. So this is the way you can able to create the door. You can fix the door and fix the gypsum. Okay. So this is the way you can able to create it as per your wish, which one you can edit first. So again, when you go for the plan view, you can find out this is a plan view. It's automatically showing like the plan view, how this door locations and everything. So this is the way we can able to find out here. Right. In the same way, you can just go for load. You can find out the window. You can find out the curtain wall window family. Okay. So as usual, you can go to find out the area. Go to choose your window. So it's the window also reflected for me. Okay. So this window is reflected here. So you can go to find out even here. You can go to find out the window. Okay. Again here also you can choose your window. Right. So now you can find out everything is done now. You can go to find out the view. You just select to go to find out the 3D view. So this is your 3D view. It's loading now. Right. So this is the way you can create your door and windows, the curtain walls. Thank you.